Alright, this is going to be a Herculiner truck bed liner install. These things are all you're gonna need, hopefully. Got this at Lowe's for 80 bucks. All of this combined was 85 bucks, so pretty cheap. Do it yourself. I'm taking the plastic one out. And yeah, see how it goes. Alright, so this is the bed liner the next morning. It's dry and it looks pretty good. Definitely needs another coat, so that's what we're doing next. Alright, second coat's in. Just gotta wait for this to dry. Alright, this is the finished product. Looks good. Turned out really good.